Hey, we are live. Guys, welcome to Tech Tuesday. As fitness professionals, wellness coaches, and nutrition coaches, many may be struggling with tech. And tech might just be your kryptonite. However, each and every Tuesdays, I will be sharing with you tips, tricks, strategies to help you overcome that tech issue, that hurdle. Hey guys, my name is Joel Olivier for those who don't know me as yet. And today I want to share with you this one thing: how to create an opt-in page using Kartra. So without further ado, I would like to just dive into it and just show you exactly how easy it takes for you to create an opt-in page. What is an opt-in page? Many people call it squeeze pages. Some people even call it landing pages. It's the same. It's a page where people go in to opt in return for something, either it be for a freebie, a cheat sheet, a training course, and in exchange you get the email, the phone numbers, addresses, etc. So it's a good way to grow your list. It's a good way to get people within your, I should say, your community, within your little bubble. It's a good way to get people in, to know more about you and what you do and how you can help them overcome their issues. So let's dive straight into it without further ado. We are live, so it may have kinks. I'm just switching the screen quickly. Let's see here. Okay, we are on Kartra. Kartra, I love Kartra a lot. I tried many different platforms, and I just have a notch for Kartra, and I enjoy it. However, I'll be showing you different other platforms other than Kartra that can help you as well. But we are dealing with Kartra. So here in Kartra, I'm here, and I can just go and press pages. When I get into pages, you can get blank canvas and start from scratch. My favorite, squeeze pages. That's what we'll be dealing with today. The squeeze pages, right? And you have many to choose from, and you could browse as you like. Let's see here. Let's see here. Okay, whoa, this one look kind of fancy. Okay, I don't really like it, so let me get out of this one. Bam. Let's scroll along again. Let's scroll along again. Ooh. This one look kind of cool. You have something to like a book, or let's say a cheat sheet or some kind of thing. Graphics, you could put it here, and the call to action, your header, etc. However, I'm planning to show you from scratch, so let's dive straight into scratch. I'm going to the blank canvas. I'm going to launch builder. And I'm just going to put demo for now. Demo 1. And let's say there's no categories and no site name. This is just for demonstration purposes. And I'm doing it on the fly just to show you how easy it is for you to create an opt-in page, start collecting some names, emails, and start following up on those prospects. Okay, let's dive straight into it. So we have the sections and have empty section. I just drag, drop. Then I go into the components here and I put a column. I drag, drop. The columns, I should say, or the blocks, the columns is where you put the content in, right? So now we have that. Within that, I could just go back and I could go straight to header. What kind of header? Oh, I like this. You could do many different things. Again, I'm building from scratch, and what I found out over the years of testing, the simplest stuff works the best. So without complicating anything, you could just come straight to the point. Now we have some text, and let's look now at the opt-in. How would they opt in? Let's see here. Do we have any opt-in stuff here? Oh yeah. The different styles, colors, sizes. I'm going to the small light frame. Bam. It's all set up. I set up a form before that is attached to this one. So I'm just going into it and see if I could find it. It's demo 1. Bam. I have the email and I can collect the name. I can also put more stuff, phone numbers, etc. But what I found out is this: less is best. Less information he asks for, more chances of the people will opt in for whatever free stuff you have to offer. Excuse me. So let's just go and tweak these texts. 5 secret tips. I'm leaving it. 5 secret tips to a, I don't know, flatter tummy. Huh? What about this? Okay. And let me make it a little bigger. Hmm? Good. Looking good. So far, so good. And this is how easy it is. I want to edit the distance between the text. There's many ways to do it, but I could go into the pencil. And you can see this is dealing with the up part, so I move it a little bit till I satisfy. Or is that a little too close? Okay, this looks good enough. And now over here I could put um, um, claim your free, I don't know, um, flat tummy cheat sheet. Whatever. Okay, I'm just writing on the fly here. And you're almost done. With ads, if ads is going to this opt-in page, what is required by many is your about page, etc. So let's go and see if we can get a footer. You have the footer here. We just go for a simple footer, black and white. Oh, did I drag it there? Whatever. Okay. Let's drag it down, 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 bam. See how simple this is? It's so simple. You could do this within 5 minutes. I don't like too much stuff. So what I tend to do is I like to get rid of anything that will take them somewhere else. But again, if you're running ads, you need like terms and condition, privacy, and you could even take away the contact us if you like as well. Right? Right? You don't need all of that. You just need the simple policies, whatever is required by Facebook or any platform that you run ads to. Just make sure you have that to be in compliance, and you're all set. Now, let me just preview this wonderful baby. You could also put a logo, but I don't recommend logos at all. Let's just look at a preview quickly. Bam. You're all done. All done. That's it. It's that simple to actually get started creating a opt-in page. Let's say you're not satisfied. I'm just saying that. I'm just throwing it out there, and you want a header. You just go into here and look where we see. Where is there any headers? Headers. Do you see any headers here? I don't know. Yes, header menu. Bam. As I said before, I don't want them clicking around at all. So I'm just getting rid of all of these crap. All right. Right. All of these crap. Let's check it out again. Wow, your logo here, everything's all set, and you're all done. It's that simple. How easy was that? That was easy peasy, guys. Come on. So today I show you within few minutes how easy it is for you to create an opt-in page so you can start getting prospect opting into your world, giving them some free content that they can learn more about you and see how you are the expert and you can help them solve their issues. Tech is easy. Every Tuesday I'll be sharing those stuff with you. If this was helpful for you, informative, please share this video with a friend or colleague. Until next time, peace and success in your business.